G'day, mate, and welcome back to the Crust with me, Jitty. After our last episode, where our astronauts just sort of fell out of the sky, they've now landed in our wonderful base, and they have become very hardworking because I haven't given them any other options. But, unfortunately, they also brought some friends that are still stuck out there somewhere in an escape pod that is running out of oxygen and having a bad time. So, what I need to do very quickly is I need to ask you, well, can I borrow a like? I just need to borrow a like. I need to borrow a like early in the video. And then I need to very much get to, trying to save their friends.
The chances of picking up the crew alive are getting slimmer every single day. Director, we have to hurry.
So stop talking. It went beep. Okay, so I need to move to there. And then I need to get the other cargo vessel to come to, well, that's close enough. All right, can I get you to rush? 4 days. Can I drive that far in 4 days? Well, let's just locate it. Investigate. Go. Investigate. 4 days. Got plenty of time. Plenty of time.
Objective achieved.
Okay. You've only got 3 crew. Cargo truck. All. Okay. I can leave some of them. Well, that's fascinating. I'm glad we have options. All right, so we have the second escape pod, which does have more carbon fiber and more food, which is good. Can I set our scout rover to there? Because we've done everything we can for you. They're just going to get picked up and everything should be hunky-dory. All right, so down here, power, no connection. This is true, but now you're connected. All right. I have a couple of problems. I have many problems. The first problem I have is money. The second problem I have is aluminium. Aluminium should now be sorted because, well, you should be running. You're going to be producing 20 slag every minute, and the 20 slag that you process gives me 13.9 aluminium. 13.9 aluminium is more than enough to run this at full speed to give me 3 aluminium every minute. Aluminium rods are going to be great, and you are now going to go away. I don't need you. All right, that's my first problem. My second problem is the drones are picking up regolith. I don't really want them picking up regolith. I'd much prefer it if they were picking up, rare earth minerals. Okay, and that was a bunch of bots that appeared from nowhere. Oh, because they finished this. Okay, can I convert 5 of you to super duper rovers? Okay, super duper rovers are wandering around. They're a little bit slower. But holding 1, holding 2, holding 2, holding 3, holding 3. Okay, I'm so going to turn this off in just a second. 4, 5. Research is fine, I hope. 7, 8. 10. Okay, so you carry 10 apiece. All right. Can I copy that building and get a second one? Can I turn that off? That's connection number 4. That's fine. All right. I'm turning off. I do not want drones doing this. Okay? Go do something else. Preferably something more useful. Like this one, rare earth magnets. Okay, you need to have deliveries of rare earth elements, which you have, and you're going to be making me microchips very slowly. Meanwhile, the beds, one bed's being done, the second one bed's on its way, hopefully, and I have people can do science. Courage, very negative hunger. Starvation. Recreation. Do I need to give you a dining room table? Is that a thing? Okay, first off, I have 3 more beds I need. Can I copy the bed? 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's our beds done. Alright, science. I don't have access to the other one yet. You have 19 food, which implies that they have food to eat, but maybe they need to have for meals and leisure activities. Seats 8. Well, we've got 9, but let's go with that. Okay, can I get that one cranked up in priority, and hopefully we can have a dining room table, and that way hopefully nobody starves. All right, research. I meant to research a medical block and a fundamental science. We're going to get both of those done. Fundamentals are the blue ones. There's a fair bit of blue research to go, so probably not a bad idea. Orange, there's also a fair bit of orange to go, so Yeah. And we're researching drone excavation speed. Yeah, that's definitely the one I want for right now. All right. Meanwhile, you are heading out to pick them up. You're going to the wreckage. So there's not a lot I can do there. On the surface, things that I can do is crank out 5 more of those. No. Salvage those. Cancel. What I can do is I can look for a way to make some money because I have 5 grand. 5 grand is dangerous. Can I do commerce center? Can I do market? Can I find something like components? Sell. They're worth 1,000 each. Okay. And normally I would say no, but now I had colonists working here. They just emptied the storage. Like, of all the steel I had. Just completely obliterated it. Because they cranked them out a lot faster. There's 87 in there. I have 141. Yeah, we're definitely doing this. Okay. Yeah, that has slag. That's fine. That has food. That's fine. That has a dining room table. That's fine, I hope. Colonists. Sleeping. Doing science. Working the microcircuits factory. Which makes this way more efficient. Can I put that there? A crash site. Okay. Desolate Lunar Valley lies the wreckage of a crashed spacecraft. The cylindrical body and remnants of solar panel mounts suggest it was a satellite disabling explosion and fell from orbit. Scorched mass and sign of extreme heat are evident, telling a catastrophic event that caused the downfall. The scenes are both awe-inspiring and tragic, a stark reminder of the perils of lunar exploration. Okay. So we got that done. Can I copy you? Can I run you into there? Build all. And can I set you to be electronics? Okay. That's being built. That should be built shortly. And yes, I need to make some money. So I just spent some money on belts. Okay. Can I go to the idle rover? Distress call. Can I send the scout rover and hopefully they don't need resources because I have no resources. All right. Especially money. Okay, commerce center. Can I go to market? We're going to go to sell. I'm going to choose components intentionally because they're worth 1,000. 1,400. Lowest point's 875. That's fine. But just as important, they're heavy. So I can almost get a full cargo vessel from 128 components. This is 143. Can I keep... Let's sell 130. Okay. 150,000 profit. All right. And I now have minus $200. Okay. So remember how the cargo vessel said it was going to be $1,000 and I had like 4 grand? Turns out there are some extra costs applied. Yeah. Somebody else needs a cut along the way. Yeah. Mafia works everywhere. All right. So we're going to max out the priority on that and hopefully get that stuff delivered fairly quickly. If we have the big guys carrying, they bring 10 apiece, which should make one hell of a difference. Can I get that done, please? Because I would happily upgrade probably another 3 to big rover dudes as well. You are processing. And if I get that launched...
Director, our main account balance has reached a critical low, which poses a significant risk to our company's operations.
Fine, we'll just put it on the credit card.
It's important to remember that constructing conveyors and laying electrical wires entails financial expenses. Moreover, all capsule shipping operations, including sending contracts or buying and selling resources, incur transportation costs that are our responsibility.
That's what I just said.
Without funds in our account, logistics will come to a halt.
About 5 grand.
I will initiate a transfer of 30,000 credits from our reserve account, but please be cautious, as this exhausts our reserve funds. Proceed with care and closely monitor our credit balance.
It's fine. We got plenty of money. Plenty of money. Look, 29 grand. We'll be fine. All right. Once that launches, we will be set for funds. Hopefully.
Objective achieved.
Objective achieved. Second escape pod. Director, landing was rough. Not everyone survived. The commander did everything to save us. Several people died from injuries shortly after landing. If only you had... I went as fast as I could! Okay, back to base. Oh, actually, turns out on the way, go pick up those. Then go back to base. You're fine. You're on the cargo ship now.
We've arrived at the base. It's still hard to believe
You've
that it's all
been
in
at
the
work
past
for
now.
a little while, actually.
Thank you, Director.
But, okay. Alright. You are launching, which should get me all the money back. Hopefully. 250... Yeah, 180 something thousand. Nice. Okay. Can I copy you? Can we build you out to here?
We detected a faint emergency signal coming from a point not far from us.
I'm James Sullivan. It's always a Sullivan. It's always a Sullivan. Station employee. 3 of us. Have food and water. Base 4 and 5 are depressurized. Need repair materials. We need help. I repeat, we need help. Interference is making it difficult to pinpoint the exact location. According to this, signal data should be a radar station number 23 in the area. Find out more details. We'll have to dispatch a search equipment. Okay, got it. Can I plug in those? Okay, I want to plug in those. I want to get them built. All right, next up, space. You. Scan. Okay, it's somewhere in that direction. Move to there. All right, so 3 more beds are going in. They're not built yet, and I've got no idea why. Can I get 1, 2, 3? And that gives me 2. So that gives me 2 bog standard builders, bog standard units, and then 7 of the haulers. So the haulers are slower, but they carry 10 at a time. So at the moment, they're just spending their time filling this up, which is going to give me rare earth minerals. Rare earth minerals need to go in there to make our microchips. That's fine. But now I actually have some money, which now I have some money, it means we can actually look at some actual automation for a whole lot of things. An awful lot of things. All right. First thing I want to add some automation to is smart concrete. Can I get belts? You output this side. And you have how much slag? You have 2k slag. Okay. Can I very quickly press all the wrong buttons again? Can I remove that belt? Can I remove that belt? And can I remove that whole building? Because you are facing the wrong direction. Alright. You need to have more iron, which is a problem. You don't have any more iron over here. I have some iron down here, and there's some iron there, and iron there, and that's titanium. That's titanium. So there's a bunch of titanium on the right-hand side of the map. Okay, idle rover. Can you do a scan? There it is. Okay, move to. Cool. All right. And you are still on your way to that crash site to pick up the goodies. All right. You guys have found hydrogen. That's fine. And you got to that destination very quickly. All right. Charlie, investigate. I'm James Salvage, station manager of Charlie 23. Thank you for finding us. We now need your assistance repairing station, preventing further destruction. Our urgent requirement is industrial materials, which you used to get from Evergreen, but the facility is no longer reachable. Though we have ample food supplies, repairing the station must take precedence as the damage is jeopardizing its integrity. We'll send you a list of required supplies. Please act swiftly to help us. Sure. I actually have all that on stock. Okay, well, as soon as you guys have picked up that, you can drop off that. Call for help or a transit station. Can I go get a transit station? No, we're gonna go south. Because it's easy to go around the moon this way, because that's the way the sunlight travels. Okay, I need to keep an eye on you guys. As soon as you pick that up, I'm gonna send you to there, and you might as well drop off that stuff. Cargo bay. It says I have other things in the cargo bay. But I'm guessing I don't have them in the cargo bay yet. I'm guessing I still don't have them in the cargo bay. Okay, set up an expedition. Bring resources. Expedition. Fill all. Send. So you're going to go back to base, drop off everything, I hope, and then head out? Just to be sure, we're just going to give you a back to base command. I'm going to say stop and then back to base. Cool. All right, so we need to send him out and drop off materials after that's done. All right, you are not
Research complete.
building things. Okay, what's our research? Our research is excavation speed by 50%. Nice. Drone battery upgrade. Very, very nice. All right, so fundamental science lab, which is orange and green. Green is fine now because we can make our own green, but I can't make orange yet. And I definitely can't make blue yet. But as long as we have the rover wandering around, we have some blue and orange coming in. Okay, so medical is going to be important. And we have no idea what this unlocks. But we're going to find out in 5 days. And you unlocked just drone battery upgrade. Okay. Alright. Except things are not getting built, as we can see. Okay, so you're picking up rare metals, and I'm willing to bet you guys are picking up rare metals as well. Yeah, okay, so you guys are just... You're just wandering around tidying up. I don't really need you to tidy up. I do want that powered down. Okay. So, what to do? All right, first off, that got removed. So, with that now removed, I want to copy you, and I want to put you here, facing that direction. How much crap's there? 2,200 slag. Okay, that's going to take a minute to move. Can I definitely still put that? Yeah. Okay. Can I... can I put that to... It's around the wrong way. Cool, copy. That direction. That'll do. Okay, so can I plug you into that one? Alright, can I grab a belt? I'm going to bring a belt from there to there, and a belt from there to there. Okay, build all. You are going to be doing that one eventually. Alright, so whatever silicon oxide's in this pile, there is none. That should be fine. Alright. You can stack up with regolith. That's fine. Then we have somewhere to dump it. I'm not having you make smart bricks currently because I would prefer to do other things with that regolith. What I do want to do is I do want to get your export and bring it up to here and into here as well. Cancel. Okay, I love that feature. All right. Can I go up and then across in a straight line this time? Yep. Build all. Okay. Because you have 1,000 slag as well you can dump on this belt. That at least means you will crank into high gear because you'll have something to do now. You have evacuated all your slag. You're actually full on iron. Can I put another box right there then? And continue with you making iron. Alright, so we have something for them to do. Can I have a higher priority on that? Can I also probably have a higher priority on these beds so they actually get done? Alright. And if we're going to continue this high priority sprint, let's do all of those as well. Alright. You are making us a rare earth element, which in theory need to go into this. This needs to have 12. You in theory would make 3, which is very short of the 12 that I'd need. But we'll work out one problem at a time. Flip you. Okay, first off, can I get a dig this post? Not enough power. We should have plenty of power. Max consumption 400. I have a research complete. I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, So I can output 14, 28, 32. And my output is 400. Okay, so I'm actually drawing... So this is -6. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 14 is 140. That's 280. Oh, that's 420. 480. Okay. No idea why it's giving me those numbers. Okay. What was the research complete? It was the carbon fiber factory. Okay. Carbon fiber factory is under social, which gave us access to the large hydroponic farm. Large hydroponic farm food production facility. Probably sounds important. That one. Blue science. You're a bit of everything. Medical block. You're going to do it that way. Okay. All right. So what are you still... You're carrying 0. Okay, you are done. Can I... Drones. Off. Stop bringing that stuff here. Alright. That means hopefully they get this stuff delivered. Hopefully. Hi, autosave. You have 70 in stock. Okay, so hopefully... No. Go in an elevator. You're bringing down one at a time. I don't really want one at a time.
Package delivered.
Oh, that's a package. Amazon has arrived. Can I put you here? Can I put a belt from there to there? Build all. Can you have that and high priority? All right. So, confirm cargo unload. Our passengers plus all our other goodies we can drop right here. Okay, these are actually getting built now. Great. Do another row. I do, but I want the row above. Alright, so next Daybreak, which is coming up real soon, we're going to rip out all the old batteries. And put it down another row of these. Probably also put another row of solar. Because money is less tight, although I've already spent like 80-odd thousand on a few belts. Okay, can you please get built? You are hauling some bricks from that spot to up there to make a battery. That suits me. And Rover has dropped off stuff. And, okay, before Rover attempts to go anywhere, can I set up an expedition? It is going to be selected transport. It's going to be you, expedition settings, fill, and go. Alright, because otherwise he'll leave the map, and I just want him to come to here, and that way we can load him up with the goodies and send him off. Alright. Not enough power. Yeah, that's an ongoing problem. It's fine. Alright. Once these are built, which is aluminium, bricks and aluminium, yeah, we're getting there. Alright. And that 2,000 slag I'm a little bit worried about. Drone maintenance. Turn that on. I think that's what's going to be required so they can actually drop off stuff. Now, I don't think the hauler bots can actually do building. So I might be in a situation where I can get a lot of stuff done, but not a lot of stuff built. And oh, actually, we got access to life support. Recreation? Music box. That sounds fascinating. I'm actually looking for the refrigerator. Logistics? Storage. Refrigerator. What's this say? A vending machine that maintains a low temperature in an insulated chamber used to store and dispense simple food. That's exactly what I want. You can go in that one tile there. Can I max out that priority as well? Because I have no idea if they're actually eating. They're idle, which is never good. Food 0. So the fact that you don't have a refrigerator means that even though... Okay. Okay. Oh, they're now stuck doing this. Hopefully with some priorities we can do other things. So now you are making organics. You had food. I have 500 food. Where is it all? Okay. Chop the priority on that. 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 We rescue everybody. They starve. Why? Because they don't have a refrigerator. Getting resources. Recharging. What are you... You're going 8 miles to get something. You went to get 1 iron. Oh, and we're delivering that. Awesome. Okay. So this has given me more food. But nobody seems to eat at the dining room table. So... a refrigerator is needed? You're maxed down slag. Okay, if you guys can get this built, I promise I'll let you deliver slag to the other one. Okay, we're dropping the priority off that. We're dropping the priority off that. Come on, guys. We have workers over here, but it doesn't actually help me because the health's actually quite good. Fullness 1.2. So they're definitely eating. Working at the hydroponics farm. Comfort. Energy. Hunger. How quickly do we eat food? Oh. Your food is recovered. Okay, so food is actually being eaten. I just need to up the priority on these because the colonists cannot take food from there to there. Awesome, cool. All right, you are still a problem, and that's just because there is so much slag there. You're burning through the slag. I give you guys more options. Here, you can bring slag there as well. Research complete. Fundamental science lab. Okay. Fundamental Science Lab unlocks the large storage unit, maintains low temperature in insulated area, used for storing food, medicine, or organics. Okay, so we get a different refrigerator. Okay. Let's throw the hydroponics farm into the list. No, I have big batteries first. Hydroponics is really, yeah, not super important. Medical block is probably important. Okay, so you are waiting a few deliveries. Okay, can I build construction, sciences? Can I get a fundamental science lab? And can I throw that there? Okay, can I hit the priority on that? Because otherwise nothing happens because they are trying to pick up 1,000 slag still. You hold 800 and you hold another 800. So they are getting used, although this is being belt fed faster than what it can consume. Yeah. So that's all those smelters done, but now I have a new smelter over here, which is also not being repaired, so I have no idea how much slag you have. You only just got built. Okay. Dig. Can I get a dig from there through to here? And can I put a bit of fire under you guys? Because, yeah, I will probably hook this one up. And have it dump slag as well. Alright. Rare earth metals. I don't know what to do about you overall. I do have undergrounds, don't I? I do have undergrounds. Okay. Can I do an underground conveyor? Incredibly expensive. That's 5,600. It's still 5,600. Hang on. How expensive is this? 2,700. Okay. Still very expensive. Alright, can I get a normal belt? So from that output to that output, or input, whatever. And then from there into there. Build. Okay. So now, if and when somebody decides to build this with bricks that we have massive amounts of, drone maintenance. You can pick up, you're not allowed to bring new ones here, that's fine. They're bringing this because they're trying to build that, even though that's not a high priority. It just is. 600 to go. Okay. They're stuck on one task and they won't change to a new task, which is just annoying. Okay. Which also means these batteries are not done, which means, you know, they didn't get charged during the daytime, which would have been handy because they were trying to move 2,000 slag. They now have 400. Okay, but yeah, if we can dig straight across there, I will bring this slag belt out as well. Your slag belt will also get tagged in. And what are we up to? YouTube 48. I think we're up to 30 something. You're going to be way lower. But it also means that when we get this iron hooked up, it can probably go through there. And this is silicon as well. I need to do some scanning. Alright, there are a lot of things we need to do. Alright, so out in the world map. You're driving to there. Charlie is not done because you're not loaded. Why? Because all the bots are busy. And you are definitely picking up, yeah, you're picking up 10 at a time. I'm so glad they're carrying 10 at least. Although that's almost full. Oh?
The WES-45H station is located in a deep crater, the
Okay.
walls and bottom of which are covered with a thick layer of ice.
Okay.
Due to the slight tilt of the moon's axis, some areas always remain shaded, allowing ice to accumulate despite temperature fluctuations. In the middle of the crater is a small administrative and residential module, where a work shift resides. The station dispatcher contacts the rover as soon as it is detected.
Cool, let's take a call. I directed, you copy. A WES, a 45H station, dispatcher speaking. Our mining and filtration equipment is broken down. We lack the spare parts and free hands to complete the repairs. Help us fix the equipment to resume water supplies to the nearest outpost. People's lives and health depend on it.
Director, I've analyzed the equipment's technical condition on the station. Most ice extractors require major repairs and all filters need to be replaced.
Uh-huh.
We have several ways to solve the problem. We can send spare parts and repair drones, but fixing the center will take considerable time. We can also look for a construction expert. They'll help speed up the process. And, of course, we can always leave the technicians to solve the problem without our involvement.
Okay, I have engineers now. And I'm assuming if I send them out, I don't have to feed them. So
We have one person who once worked with the Arabian concern. His presence will considerably speed up repairs, as there is a lot of the concern's machinery at the station.
you have a number of engineers. Okay. Alright. So we need to do that, but I can't do that until well, I have the option to get the truck back from the last mission. Okay. Can I go to there? Alright, so you're going to start heading out at daybreak and you'll just keep driving probably all day and all night and you should get there no problem. You still have a tiny bit to go. Yeah, they're hanging around idle. They can't compute that there's another job to do because this is the current job and get rid of this slag is the only job that matters. Alright, let's just... It's going to cost me money. Okay, let's remove that and remove that. Okay, cancel. Okay. Alright, with that cancelled, hopefully we can now get all the other jobs done. So hopefully you just need a bit of aluminium. You need a bit of everything. The beds are done in here at least, so everybody has a sleeping spot. We don't have medical done yet, but it's on its way. We're researching that bigger battery. I still need to get more things in the engineering tier, because there's lots of things we still don't know how to make. And... bricks. Oh, that's getting slag delivered. That's getting agricultural, organics delivered. That is still getting slag dropped off. Why? From where is a better question. There's just a pile of slag on the ground. Okay. Can I just drones off? And drones off. That solves that problem entirely. You guys just not allowed to do it. You're banned. Choose a production mode. Oh, you're going to be iron. Sorry, I forgot about that. Alright, so you're built. Select resources. Food. Food. Organic storage. Okay, food. And in that case, copy and paste you. And we'll have a new one. Going to microseconds factory. Okay. You can be organics. Alright, we'll get a second one then. And on the surface, the batteries are being installed now during nighttime. Of course they are. And this is being drilled out still. The belt's gone in. The storage's gone in. You have a decent amount of rare earth elements. I have 126 of them somewhere. Can I... drones? I'll let you guys deliver. And... you have room for not a lot, and you have room for 80. And I have 200 to get rid of. Cool. A slag bucket. Actually, can I block your output? I just dumped everything on the floor. That's not really what I wanted. That's not really what I wanted, but okay. Block your output. Okay, so that's hopefully dropped low enough that I should be able to get you, rotate you into place in that direction, and we're just going to put you right here. Okay, throw the priority on that because I just want to have this done. They're just building straight on top of the slag. Why couldn't we do that earlier? Okay. Copy the belts. Build ore. Okay. Can you please do silicon? Alright, so. Drones are idle. Yep. Okay. Drones. You can deliver into here. You were already enabled for deliveries, and that filled that up. We're going to enable deliveries, and we're going to unlock that, and we're going to unlock that as well. Alright, and we're also going to enable deliveries. Alright, so now they have something to do. We're going to make sure you are low priority, and we're going to make sure you're already low priority, and you are for organics. We hold 700, and you do 160 science. Okay, so science is booming. Drovers are out and about, and power. We're going to...
Director, we have reached the CPU power limit and cannot continue construction or order drones. We need to free up space to install new data centers.
Okay, it's on my list. Alright, we're going to get those done. I'm going to max out my power, my CPU first. Because I need microprocessors for CPU data centers, and I definitely don't have them. And I think the only way we're going to get them is by buying them. And I cannot afford to buy them right now. But if we get the bigger batteries in and done, then in theory, that is on low priority. In theory, if we can get that done, then that means I should be able to rip out all the old batteries. There, and there, and there. Okay, anyone want to build this stuff? Yeah, they're building it slowly. And meanwhile, you're going up the elevator. And you guys have slag. Because you picked it up off the ground right here. Fixed. Oh, also fixed. Okay, alright, so, slag is moving, that is moving, Rare earth metals are moving. Unloading. I don't know what you're unloading. Oh, and they're picking up slag and other stuff from here. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, and can I also allow you guys to put regolith in there? Wasting science points. No, we can't have that. All right. Science points. We're orange. Cargo. Manage cargo brought by heavy vehicles equipped with outlets for the connection of conveyor belts. I'm nowhere near having conveyor belts on the surface because I don't have that one. Repeater. We haven't done the repeater research yet. All right. Engineering. Can I do the rolling mill upgrade? Or large bulk storage? Large bulk storage. Yeah, you're not as heavy on the orange research as I might have liked. But that's what we're going to do. Okay. Charlie, Director, I can't express my gratitude enough. After the explosion, we all do a still of depressurize compartments one by one till there are none left. Without you, we would have been left waiting in terror for the inevitable. I wouldn't wish that fate on anyone. Before we began uploading data collected by our servers to your system, it should contain some pretty useful stuff. Additionally, we were provided with the location of our backup vault as the lack of the means of reach after the explosion. Your transport should be capable of making the journey. Thanks again, Director. We'll stay in touch. Nice. Okay. What is that? That is Charlie backup vault. I will take it. Definitely. Cargo truck. Fill all. That is a definite trade up in resources because they are. Will you tell me? Will you tell me? Nanotubes, modular frames, aluminium, and microcircuits. And I'm definitely low on microcircuits. And you're still traveling across there. All right. We've made a lot of progress. We've got a lot done. This is not going to get done because they are busy moving around junk. Even though this is a low priority and therefore things that are a normal priority or a high priority should take precedent, but they're not. So my only option is I turn that off again. Yeah, because I really don't want them moving around regolith. Like, there are other things to do, guys. Like, mainly on the surface. You're still bringing stuff over. It's turned off. It's turned off, guys. Oh, you're now picking up slag. Okay. Slag is still turned on. But there's not that much slag for you guys to pick up. There is 1,000 somewhere on the map, but a lot of it should be in belts. Oh, you're going to output slag as well. I'm going to dig and we'll just rip out that wall. Yeah, and I can move the slag up to there and dump that on that belt and just have it pass all the way through here to this guy. But what I need to do is need to leave this episode here. We have made good progress. We have now got ourselves out of the trouble that was the complete lack of money we had, which now means I can build ridiculously long belts and actually have some automation here, hopefully without too much trouble. Please tell me I got this around the right way. I did not. I did. You're going to go into there, and then I guess you can come to here then. Yep, another 35,000 on our belts, but that means I don't have to worry about this slag. It's just going to get turned into smart concrete for me, which is now full. Have a second box. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Copy, build all. Alright. That should do me. That should do me for today. We've made good progress. We have a lot to do. Hopefully these guys will run out of rare earth minerals sooner or later to dump it here. And then we can actually get into, well, hopefully upgrading this stuff on the surface. Yeah, that's high on my list. So high on the list, but I think I'm just going to turn that off again. Anyway, like I said, going to leave this here. 2 out of 2 rescued for hope. I'd call that a win. I call that a giant win. I think we're doing really, really well. Oh, really? There's always something else. Medical block. All right. We'll build the medical block in the next episode. Anyway, like I said, I want to call it here. Thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed. See you in well, the very next video. All right, bye.